Yeah, hello, and welcome to Football in Pidgin. After match talk, how you see Chelsea 2 and West Ham 1. And we get Oga Mike, we be like, now, Ogbonge Chelsea fan, make tell us about how you see this game. Oga Mike, now how you see this Chelsea performance for this game? Because it be like, say, first half, Chelsea been they sleep before, but second half, they can't wake up. But how you see the performance in general?
Even normally, first half, Chelsea try, but they fuck up. Even first half, Chelsea try, but they fuck up. It is just that maybe they have opportunity to score.
They're not taking.
They not take them. She understand. And all those our normal way of playing ball, like maybe somebody like this boy that don't supposed to even, not supposed to even start match. They put them for match. What did they call am so? Even Mount when later bring come against Mount not supposed to play match because they supposed to put other people, not all those people. When we say they see ball chances, they know they take them. She understand. So I be Chelsea fan, so but this particular period, I don't know what did they happen to them. You understand? I don't know at all. So if assuming say maybe he get away when we say we fit they communicate with them, say somehow yes, so make a talk to them one-on-one, make it know. Say at least there is some people when you're not supposed to use for match, keep them for bench. Even Mendy, this is our last this thing. So Mendy fuck up. Normally Mendy not supposed to push ball for center. When keeper ball, when keeper won't push ball, supposed to push ball go corner. Supposed to push ball go side, not front for opponents to score. Sure, you understand? So if I be coach of Chelsea, like me, I'd rather keep Mendy for bench like maybe like two to three matches. So maybe that particular time the head now you go fit get sense. Because I don't know what Mendy they do this particular period.
So, but for this game now, with this Chelsea performance now, we know say nobody waiting you they really they expect because of Chelsea struggle small. We say and say they struggle for the game. But now, which player you think say play pass for this game? Which player be your own man of the match?
Normally, if you ask me to pick man of the match for this match, I go pick Kovacic. Because Kovacic try for the match. You understand? Assuming Kovacic not did the midfield, Chelsea could have even conceded that first half. Maybe Kovacic or Silva. Because if not Kovacic and Silva, Anthony for West Ham could have scored since for that first half.
Antonio.
Yes, so Antonio, yes, could have scored. But we just really we escape, as in I can say maybe we have narrow escape to win this match. If not, so West Ham try. You understand? They defend and at the same time they defend and attack. Defend and attack. You understand? Like maybe massive defense, massive attack. That is what they do. But we are just lucky to win the match.
All right, now make I ask you about one Chelsea new signing now, Wesley Fofana. How you see now? First game for Chelsea be this in debut, but in start time with good notes because say the team win, even though you know keep clean sheet, yeah. But how you see Wesley Fofana defending today for today match?
Yes, so the guy there, he dey calm. You understand? He dey calm. You know they rush to pass ball. You understand? When he hold ball, you hold, you look before he pass ball. You know they shake. You understand? Assuming now some defender, before you know, they go they shake because of say maybe na first time at the same time they see. I know you don't take when the guy they play ball too normally you don't see crowd like this but as a new home you understand
first
game you're supposed to shake but at the same time he calm down and pass the ball whenever he have the ball he try.
All right now, I want to ask you about Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. The show for this match today now. When he come Chelsea now, he collect that Chelsea number 9 JC, and that number 9 JC. Plenty strikers don't come Chelsea wey no fit deliver. The most recent one now where everybody know now, Romelu Lukaku, Torres, Higuain, Falcao, the list long of people wey don't wear that number 9 wey no fit deliver. You think say as Aubameyang come with that number 9 JC, he go fit deliver?
The only thing that is that maybe we just pray, may the guy deliver because. If it is me, somebody like me, you understand, that number 9.
You no go advise and make it collect.
I no go advise and make it collect. You're not supposed to collect them. You understand? We need striker. That was why that make us sign on. Because say we need striker. But now you don't go pick. Even this guy said, what did they call him? Even this guy said, we say no even pick number 9. Say we know we're number 9. No, not Stanley. This our striker. We say they'll sign for
Timo Werner.
No. Abraham.
Tammy.
Tammy Abraham himself, you understand? Even he try, he still struggle. Talk less of say maybe course number 9, maybe say Jesse, maybe say he can't go pick. We just hope say he go fit break the course. You understand? Because that number 9 has a lot of story. You understand?
You get the way the number 9 JC.
Yes, so you get the way it be. But we just dey pray. May God help. Make if you do something.
All right, now make I ask you, with what you see for Chelsea this season now, with this start now, how high you think say Chelsea go finish for the Premier League table?
Normally, the way we dey play, if you continue like this, we may finish top 6. You understand? We may not even finish top 4. The way we dey play, that is it. Until
Things
we
improve.
change. You understand? Like I don't know, this guy when Chelsea go collect on loan for
Dennis
years.
Zakaria from
Maybe if that guy
Juventus.
come in, because when we look at it now, whenever this guy gets injured, Kante gets injured, problem they only they come for Chelsea. You understand? Even most of this time when we say we have little struggle and everything, and because of say Kante no dey that midfield, that's why you get that problem. But we pray as they sign this guy, so maybe go fit at least if you not even play like Kante, make he even still try for that midfield, because na the midfield na be football. Without midfield, pressure go dey the defender. You understand? They go dey the back. You understand? They go sign back. But when your midfielders know they play well, pressures go dey on them. And you get the way they go defend reach. When we say they go tire, goal must come in. So we just pray, say, make this guy when they pick, so make it do well for us.
All right, now, Oga Mike, before I let you go now, I want to ask you now. I ask you, say, how high you think say Chelsea go finish? You say from 1 to 6.
Yes, sir.
But the way you dey see this season now, which team you think say go fit win the Premier League?
Yeah, you know, the season just dey start. We no go fit just conclude like that. Like when you see Arsenal now they fly. They fly 5 out of 5. But you understand? But the problem with Arsenal is maybe if maybe 1 or 2 among them now get injury.
They don't already get 2 injury already.
2 injury already.
Today now, Thomas Partey and Mo Elneny get injury. We
they
don't
get
even know
injury.
whether Zinchenko go fit play against Manchester United tomorrow.
Shey you understand so. But the only club wey be say I fit still pick, wey be say if he still do well to try carry that premiership, na still Man City. Because Man City, they are unstoppable.
Abi?
Yes, so they are unstoppable. You understand? Like maybe you remove Winch, you put Wizard for Man City.
Now wetin they do?
Yes, so now look at this boy now that just come in now.
Haaland.
He play how many matches? 5 matches. He scored 9 goals.
9 goals.
Nobody don't do one. You understand? It's not easy to play in Premiership and at the same time early age. First time that you just come in, first season, you play
Like
play 5 matches, you score 2 hat-trick. It's not easy. You understand? So if me, I be Chelsea fans, but I can still pick them as the favorites to win the league. Understand? That's the way it is, my brother.
All right, now, Oga Mike, thank you for your time.